Recently, a disturbing video has been spreading across the internet, allegedly recorded through a MacBook camera. The main character appears to be a young woman filming a makeup tutorial. At first, it seems like a normal beauty vlog. However, the atmosphere quickly changes when she hears strange noises coming from inside her house. She assumes it might be her parents returning home and hears a door opening and footsteps inside, but the sounds continue in an unnatural way, making her realize something is wrong. She calls out for her parents, but right after she speaks, the noises become louder and more intense, as if something is moving toward her room. She then hears the front door open. Unable to stay inside, she steps out to check what is happening, but immediately comes face to face with something terrifying. In a panic, she runs back, locks the door, and tries to call for help. In other versions of the video, a mysterious figure appears, performing strange ritual-like behavior before standing still and staring directly into the MacBook camera. In the comments, some believe it is real and circulating on the dark web, while others say it is just a horror movie trailer.